Hey everybody, Jackie here from Jay's Beautiful Jewels, and I am here to give you a really quick tip of how you can fix your fringe earrings when they have these little fringes kind of out of place, or if they're folded or whatever. This one doesn't look that bad, but this one is my pair and I use it a lot. I love this. So there are two ways that you can fix these little fringes, and one way is damping your fingertips with a little water and just pass it through the fringes. Okay, so you go like that. This one is a little stubborn there, but it doesn't look bad at all. Okay, and it's supposed to straighten out your fringes. Now another way that you can do it, if you have a flat iron, okay, for your hair, put it in the lowest settings, okay, because you don't want to burn your fringe, and just pass it through. Okay, and it's straightened out. Now I have a little stubborn there fringe, but that's okay. You just want to make them look nice and neat. So that is my tip for you today. Let me know how it works out for you. If you have a pair of fringe earrings, I would love to see your before and after pictures. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.